Cleaning interiors, my favorite tools. The very first thing I do when I start a vehicle is use my Tornador and blow out all of the heavy dust, crumbs, dirt, whatever in the crevices, get it to the floor, and then I do a very thorough vacuum. From there, I will clean my door jambs, because no matter what, water's going to get sprayed on your vinyl and plastics. After that, if I have to do any carpet extraction, I do that. Then the next step is to wipe and detail brush and deep clean the interior. So I'll Tornador, get the Provost quick disconnect. I'll have this on standby if I got to spread apart the seams or whatever in the seats. So we'll hang that right there. But as far as cleaning the interior and wiping them down, DIY Details Interior Clean and Protect. It's a strong cleaner, but it's very safe, has a nice minty smell, also has some UV inhibitors in it. I will enter with these cotton swab little applicator things here. I'll use those for getting in little nooks and crannies that maybe I can't reach with a brush. I'll use a Detail Factory brush with a rubber band on it to keep those a little stiffer. But right now I want to highlight this little jobber. P&S Express Sidekicks, they're called. I think they're about 2 for $22. I don't know if they're on Amazon. Check out Car Supplies Warehouse. But you can see how dirty the seat is. We have some stains there. It's going to have some grime. These Sidekicks are awesome. So just kind of wet the seat. Use that Sidekick. The Sidekick slides and cleans so much better because it has those little textures to it than, say, a microfiber towel. Oh, that smells good. So use this to clean all of your surfaces. If it gets real heavy with cleaner, clean it up. Just come back and then dry it with your microfiber towel. These towels are Rag Company Edgeless 300s. We know Rag Company makes amazing towels. Not my favorite aromas in an interior cleaner. It just seems so minty fresh. So that'll dry. It's clean and protected. And when I'm spraying on doors, you can wet your towel so you're not getting it over the glass. Let's come in here. Up in there, it's a little trickier. Get a little product on the brush. Work that in. Another trick is if you don't want any residue hanging up there, if you're cleaning, let's do this one too. Like say you have your cleaner in these vents. Wipe them out, but just put your towel over it. Beautiful. So if you have any questions about the products, put them in the comments below. But those are the products and tools that I enter every interior with when it comes to the cleaning stage of the plastics and vinyl and leather.